Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the weekly update for security for Google Chrome, and it is available now. It was released late November 7th, and of course rolling out now to your Chrome browser. If you use Chrome, normally you should have the update go automatically at some point, but you can go and check and go into the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, about help and about Google Chrome, and you should be at Chrome 119.0, that's 6045. If you're on Mac or Linux, it's .123. On Windows, it could be at .123 or at .124, depends on the configuration of your system. So what's in here? There's one security fix. It's a high severity fix, and it has to do with what they call web audio. So apparently, when you have some streaming, when you have some something happening with anything that has audio on the web, there could be a condition that causes a security hole that can be exploited. High severity means that it's very important to fix because it's easy to exploit. No word of that being in the wild or anything. It was discovered by a Chinese security group, and so it applies to Google Chrome. That also means that it will probably apply to any Chromium browsers out there. So if you're using Edge, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, except of course Firefox, which is different, you will probably get that security update this week, I would guess. It's interesting, last time there was only one fix. I noticed that Edge didn't actually fix it the week that it was available, so I don't know if this is going to be the case again this week. Maybe they look at the severity of the security hole and decide what they're going to do. But anyways, one security flaw, high severity, and it is now updated for Google Chrome, so check it out. And make sure that you stay safe, of course. Once again, this is your, security barrier. You go on the web, your first line of defense. It's very important to keep the browser up to date. So that actually is making you secure, as 99.9% of all the security is security fixes and or security updates and what you do. And once again, if you ask anybody that's an expert in security, I'm going to tell you that antivirus not making the top 10 of what secures you actually on a computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.